We've entered Frozen's territory.
Yes.
Elsa, where you at? What is up, my amazing people? Let's get this journey / adventure started, shall we? Let's go. The time has come for our first destination, but before then, we did a family prayer just to wish me a farewell. And let me just show you guys my luggage situation. This is all I took for 5 weeks. Your girl was very proud of herself. Adios, casita. Let the adventures begin. We got the whole family here saying our goodbyes, and we're all gonna, go to the airport as one loving family. You ready, Melissa?
No.
No.
I miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Take care of my girl. Y'all are blessed to have her.
No.
Honestly, yeah. You guys are gonna have a great time, and you take lots of pictures, videos, since I will be, stalking you for a little bit.
You're gonna have the feeling of what others feel.
Yes.
Well, you have fun here.
Thank you.
I know you're gonna.
It's actually our first time being apart for so long. So it hits different. I mean, obviously we have other sisters, but they're married.
The one joining us.
Yeah, the one joining us right now.
Not even in the front. No. I wanted to bond with y'all in the back.
No, but however, we live together, so we see each other every day. So it's gonna be very different. Like coming home and there's no Nayeli. So
there's no one saying, "How was your day?" I see you once a month anyway, so ain't that right? I mean, I'ma miss you, but then when I see you, you're gonna be super big. I know, girl. Olivia's gonna be like popping everywhere.
I'm gonna be wobbling like a penguin.
I know. All right, let's go to the airport. We made it. After saying our goodbyes, it had came time for TSA. Alright, we made it through TSA like a charm. Thank God, because this thing is pretty packed. But we're gonna go to our gate location. Here we come. So from now, you can see that our first transportation will be taking an airplane. We started boarding, and man, let me just say, this was not just your ordinary flight.
Hi. What is this? Hi, my name is Joe today. I'm
nice,
not
Joe.
Eric, I'm Joe. You're gonna know why in the left.
Okay,
Oh, I love
good.
cameras.
Yeah.
What are we doing? Where are we
A little
going?
vlog
Okay.
on my YouTube channel. Yeah.
Oh, YouTube. I love YouTube. Okay.
Yeah.
Joe, welcome to Southwest
I
Airlines. We'd
understood
love to
now.
have you.
Yeah.
I love camera, so it's on point.
There you go.
Okay, good job, me. Just to let you know, to make it to this flight, I had a flat tire. I had to stop by 2 gas stations, and I mean, I'm the heart of Southwest.
We have been clear for departure. Let's get this flight going.
First moment was that he actually announced in the overhead, we have a famous YouTuber, Nayeli the Exploradora. Now, that was something to remember. But just like that, we have made it to our first destination, y'all, and welcome to San Antonio, Texas. We have made it to San Antonio, woo, our first location, and well, we're gonna go and get picked up by my coworker. So first time meeting her, and I am so excited to see her. And yeah, we've been working together for like 2 years, so you will meet her, our friend Alyssa. Vámonos! All right, false alarm. Let's go. What's up? Hi.
I was like, you're no catfish.
I know. No, not at all. I just love your little thing.
My little car?
Oh, your little cup of
My
noodles.
cup of noodles? That's what I live on.
And guys, the weather was giving everything, because I love cloudy and chilly days, and that is exactly what it was. So off to a great start, and it was just the beginning, okay? Because we were just advancing to the next step. Because if you go to Texas and you don't eat barbecue, Did you really go to Texas? So we tried this grilled cheese brisket, and let me tell you, mwah, chef's kiss. Alright, this is what it looks like. Came with a side, and I chose corn, which was so good.
Ready to eat? Yeah. Barbecue? As you go with the barbecue. Stand for it? Okay. So, do you eat it with the barbecue?
No, just eat it.
It looks like celery.
It looks better than celery.
It has zucchini? Okra's pretty good. That's so good. I don't know if I can pick it up. That looks bomb. Good job. Y con la bebida bien chiquita, mira. Te me ahogues, mija. I need you for the whole week. Look at that view. So beautiful. Look at this view. Oh. Barbecue all over my face. La hermosura. Look at this. Whew. Thank you for bringing me here. It was delicious.
You're welcome. Anytime.
What's it called again? Smoke Shack? Smoke Shack.
Not 420.
No. The only smoking here is barbecue. A eso sí le entro. That's the only smoking I do.
Not my ass.
And once we ate some delicious food, we ended up going to this place called Pearl. It's actually next to like a water river, a water path, and so you can just walk there. It's a little shopping center where you can go to restaurants and walk alongside the river walk. Another glorious morning. Hello, good morning. It is Sunday, January 29th, and we're gonna be praising God. I'm actually here at this church I was able to find, and we're gonna go and meet people, praise God. I'll show you a little bit about it as well so you can come to this journey with me. And it's a very cloudy, rainy morning. Super excited. I woke up very early because it is 2 hours ahead of Vegas time. So we're surviving. Good thing I'm a morning person, because if not, it would have been very cranky. But I'm not. I'm chilled. I'm excited. I guess it's the adrenaline kicking in. Was able to say hi to a few people as well. Very welcoming. Honestly, I've enjoyed my time here. It just feels very just welcoming. I really enjoy it, and I just can't wait to experience a little bit more. So let's go inside and check it out a little bit more.
Every one of you, what is in your heart? See, because the Lord is testing us this morning. Is it really Him that we come seeking? See, because everything around you could be going down, but when you can seek the secret dwelling place of the Most High God, and when the Lord asks you, what is it that you want from me? God, it's not the house. It's not the car. It's that I seek your very presence. Break every song, shine through the
His Spirit and His power, but He wants you to be blessed. He wants you to be healed. He wants you to be set free from your addictions. He wants you to experience the full power of God. I can't imagine not having the power of God with me every day. We got to learn to define victory. I mean, everybody wants power, everybody wants authority, but we don't know how to tell the Lord, how are we going to get there? I need it every day. Don't you rely on your own strength. Don't you rely on your memory and your heart, because your heart and your mind will fail you, but the power of God will still guide you.
He's over here, right? Muggling candy. What you got in there? Oh! No.
Hydration for the skin. When the boy makes you cry. Mood changer right here. That's it.
That's a remedy bag.
You gotta pull out the cream and you go cream.
The necessity.
There you go.
The necessity.
¿Y tú qué?
Yo comí japonés cacahuates.
Alright, we're done with church. What did you guys think of the service?
It was pretty good. It was good.
It was really good. Got lots of it?
Yes, lots of it.
And they met a new friend. I don't know who she is, but they said she's pretty cool. Huh.
Wait, what?
She's like, what good friend? It's me. Where is she? Oh, pues ya nos vamos.
We actually did. We went to Via 313, which is a pizza place. We got some pizza and some salad, and we called it a night until the very next day when we went to the Spurs game. It's a basketball team there in Texas, so we went out and supported. And you can't get more Texas than these bathroom signs, y'all. Look how cute these are. We went in a little bit early, so we caught more of the practice run, and well, good thing it was practice.
Whew, and just like that, humidity just hit the hair. It's another day. You know, we went to Texas, so everything's bigger than Texas. So is my hair, apparently. You know, got some cloudy days again, some rain. As it was raining in here in Texas, apparently it was snowing in Vegas. So crazy. But I'm bringing you guys to a basketball game. Woo! Hey. So we're gonna be cheering on Texas team today, and I want you to come along with me too, because if I'm having this adventure, so are you. Hey, are you ready?
Yes.
It's about to start. All to win?
Yeah.
We're gonna win. All positive vibes.
Now let's make this game a little bit more exciting with my narrating skills. Alright, the Spurs has the ball, but the Wizards take it. They're going left, they're going right, they pass it to their teammates, he shoots. Oh, he misses it, but the Spurs gets the ball, he passes it along. He's going with his teammates. Oh, he psyched him out. He shoots. Ah, he misses, but he gets again. Will he be persistent enough to score? And he did. Alright, the Spurs has the ball yet again. He steals it from the Wizards. He's dribbling it, he's going, he's shooting it to his friend, to his pal, and he went. Oh, that's beautiful teamwork. And there was also this QR code that you could scan to project whatever you were getting from your phone to the big screen if they were selected. But none of that. Let's go back to the game. Those Spurs have the ball, they shoot, they miss, and the Wizards take the ball. Woo!
Yeah?
Better not lose this game.
I hope not. It's getting good.
It is.
In the halftime show, there was these hype squad dance groups that came out and just, you know, did their thing, hyped us up. We're gonna do some dance move. Oh yeah. Can never dance like that. Alright.
So what do you think so far of this halftime show? Or this halftime?
You mean you're the halftime show?
I'm the halftime show.
Karaoke with Nayeli.
I know.
Karaoke Mondays.
I got this boom boom crowd shaking my style. You're so 2008. I'm so 2000 and late.
You're like a jukebox.
Boom boom boom.
And boom boom win.
You better boom boom win.
2 minutes. Bradley Beal, three-pointer.
The results of the game. Alyssa, would you like to put your input?
Not really.
The devastation of
I'm
we
just
lost.
really sad.
But it was still a good game.
It was a good game.
It was against Washington. Washington, good job. You guys did great. We lost by what, 10 points-ish? It's okay. But we're heading to the car, heading home. And we'll see what adventure awaits next day.
Actually, we're awaiting ice, so that's enough.
Oh, you're right, yeah. Vámonos. She went next door to get us some tacos from her mom.
La taquería. Ahí viene la señora con los tacos. Oiga, vende tacos.
¿A cuánto cada taco?
It's the expensive salt. It's the freaking.
Es que, mija, we couldn't have you walk in regular salt.
I know.
It's so icy. So look at this.
I don't got regular.
It helps, right?
Himalayan salt,
I
girl.
know. They have little crystals.
Que veas que estás en la playa, dale.
Thanks, Monica. Well, I'm glad your mom didn't try walking.
Ooh, delicious.
Right after work, we decided to drive up to Austin just before the weather conditions got worse and we would miss our next destination.
As you can see,
It's a little crazy outside.
it's a little cold, a little snowy-ish. It's not snowy, it's like icy. Yeah, it's frozen. We've entered Frozen's territory.
Yes.
Elsa, where you at? We need all the salt. We gotta be as salty as possible. This is our moment.
Look, I need a little button that pushes salt out.
And then your car is a imagine.
Like Mario Kart.
That would be awesome.
It's me, Mario.
Good morning from Austin. Today was my day off, but I took it back. So I'm gonna work. It's gonna be a stay home type of day. Because of the unusual weather, we have snow. And if you see that over there, they're icicles.
Wow.
You can feel it. It's like raining / ice. I told my job, I'm like, you know what? It's not looking like I'm gonna leave. So might as well just work and, you know, use that PTO day for another day. But I'm really enjoying this. This trip really wasn't to go on vacation and see all these things. Like, it's amazing that I do get that opportunity and I will get that opportunity, but it's not everything. I think people interaction honestly wins over that. Yesterday I had a really awesome conversation and it was just like very filling. And I'm like, you know what? This is why I'm here. This is the purpose. It's not to go out and explore 100% of the time. And it's honestly more of a blessing than I ever thought. And it feels more of a purpose than ever. And I mean, to be rewarded with this, like, come on. I can't ask for anything better. I know to people it's like, oh yikes, no. Like, do not like this weather. But it's so unique. It's so awesome. Like, the fact that the grass has ice, like, it's so interesting. I don't know. I'm living my Hallmark moments. we're that like, what's it called, bakery guy.
Getting to the house, we actually passed through a kind of scary moment where we were driving past the bridge and the car skirt from left and right swerved because of the ice. But we were so glad we were safe. I held for dear life in the dashboard.
Ni más ni menos que un cafecito.
Alright, let's test out this cafecito. Definitely great for a cold weather. Do 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 do.
So let's start typing away, shall we? Working hard. Hardly working. You have a work buddy?
Yeah, 2.
And then this one that loves my slipper. Wow. I'm being attacked. I'm being attacked.
Right after work, we decided to go outside and see what we were dealing with. And let me just say...
Oh my goodness. Your car! Oh my goodness!
Yeah, I don't think I can even open the car.
No!
There used to be a tree.
Yeah! Just this one itself. That tree looks like the Whoville tree now. We finished work, and now what are they having us do? Since we can't go anywhere.
Working out.
We're gonna be working out.
We
gotta do a segment about this.
Literally, I can't leave the house because it's too slippery.
I tried yesterday. I almost slapped. Like,
it was a slip and slide.
Yeah, literally.
I can't get down there.
Let's go work out. Oh,
I'd rather fall down the hill.
Say hi, personal trainer.
Hi. Gym.
Oh my goodness.
Your followers are gonna be like, it's not walking. Show for the next episode.
Let's go.
For
real.
The trainer.
Come back up.
The rookie.
You're gonna warm up. Anyways.
Let's go. 1. Hi, Monica. Let's go, Monica. Okay.
Not get the Texas hang
So proud of you. You got this.
Good. I'm gonna kill you later.
The weight slayer.
Sorry, my ankles sound like Rice Krispies.
Oh no. Easy, Dave. 2 more. There you go. 3. 4. Yeah. Does it feel like you can only do 2 more reps when you're at the 8 mark?
No, I think I can go like add another one.
Is that so big? Okay. Oh, you're so strong. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. You're back?
Yeah. So just when we thought that was a whole gym. Dun dun dun!
Oh, you haven't even seen the other.
There's other rooms. We did it! Woo! Workout complete, y'all. You don't seem so excited. Let's go, woo! Workout is done. Now we gotta eat some food. Alright, time to eat. Ooh, look at this. The chef in her full form. Look at that. Thank you. So good.
We'll find out.
Vamos a comer.
The next day.
Oh no, we can't work anymore. What? There's no signal? Oh man, I was really looking forward to finishing my day.
And just like that, the power went completely off. But I guess that's just a story for next week. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you on the next video.